Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get verified on crypto.com. First, download the crypto.com app and start your registration. You'll need to provide your full legal name and accurate date of birth. Then, upload a clear image of your valid government-issued identification. This initial step is crucial for a smooth verification process. Next, you'll complete a live selfie for facial recognition, which helps match you to your submitted ID. It's vital to ensure all your documents are current, legible, and match the information you provided. After submitting everything, you'll need to patiently await crypto.com's review of your application. They process these requests efficiently. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated helps you stay sharp, especially when managing your crypto. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold all day. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an email confirming your account verification. Congratulations! With a verified account, you'll unlock full access to all crypto.com features. This means you can start trading, staking, and managing your cryptocurrency with confidence. Enjoy the complete platform experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.